You may have been trying to lose weight for a while without success, but here's a soup recipe that will help you succeed. While slim waists are tough to attain and difficult to maintain, an active lifestyle and a balanced diet are essential to help you achieve your desired shape. Moreover, you may find this soup helpful in speeding up the process. As a result of its high potassium and fiber content, this soup will improve intestinal transit. It will also boost weight loss due to its low-calorie content, around 49 calories in a 12-oz serving. In addition, the low calorie count and the vitamins and minerals make this soup an ideal weight loss option without causing nutritional deficiencies that could lead to anemia or weakness. Are you enjoying the video? Then, please give it a thumbs up. It helps the channel a lot. Also, don't forget to subscribe to be notified of any new videos. Back to the video. Prepare the ingredients as follows: 18 oz of cabbage, 5 oz of bell pepper, 10 oz of leek, 1.5 oz of parsley, 14 oz of zucchini, 5 oz of carrots, 3.5 oz of red onion, 10 oz of choco, and 10 oz of tomatoes. What's the recipe, you asked? To make this soup, slice the ingredients and place them in a pot. Then add 84 ounces of water. The cooking time should be around 40 minutes on low heat, and voila! If you eat this soup for 7 consecutive days as a replacement for dinner once a month, it's an effective and healthy way to lose weight. You can keep your soup in your refrigerator during the first 3 days, but after that, you should freeze the soup and reheat only how much you need for dinner each day. About 10 servings can be made of the soup. How amazing is that? There you have it, the best soup that will make you lose weight in 7 days. Try it and share your thoughts with us in the comment section. You should also watch the following 2 videos. You'll gain a lot of health benefits from watching them. Thank you, stay safe and stay healthy.